Hello everyone, this is Emre with the video lesson of the week. Trading ENDP was a great lesson for me. I grasped that sticking with a strong stock and directing my focus completely on trading it is so good and so important for me. I'm passionate about this lesson because I struggled with being totally focused on just one or two stocks in the past. Somehow it seems to be a habit, and I tend to look at many stocks in short time. Then I see something and I get distracted from the good and the strong stocks, from the high quality trades. My first ENDP trade last week on Friday was really good. I entered the trade when I saw the trigger, and then I took partial profits and made money. I did exactly what I learned at Affinity Trading Institute. Actually, I had in mind to wait for the next trigger. But then the habit I mentioned took over and I started to look at other stocks. You know what? I found an interesting one, and here I was suddenly in another trade. That was not so good because it was not a high quality trade. I lost money with playing this other stock. And I realized, after that play, what just happened. And I have seen that, I had watched this stock before and I did not like it. I just totally forgot about this. And I think this happens because everything goes really quick, and the more information I have, the more I am not able to make the right decisions. Yeah, I think so. And that brings me to the lesson and what I choose to do to improve my trading. So I have 2 points here. Number one, the stocks I have on my list in front of me, and that stocks I don't like, after my first analysis, I just removed them from my list. Number two, the second point is the charts of the stocks, that are displayed in my browser. And what I do here is I close the tabs in my browser of exactly this stocks that I don't want to play. The principle is just, this phrase, out of sign is out of mind. So I think that's exactly right here. And that's what I decided to do here. Yeah. That way I reduce the amount of information and I reduce the risk in making a mistake, right? So actually what I'm doing here is creating a whole new habit. That I found out it helps me to be much more concentrated on the right information and to stick with them. Look at this chart. On that Friday, I decided to look at the ENDP chart again. And, I was just watching for another opportunity to enter another trade here with ENDP. And I have seen a good place to enter right here, where you can see it's a good support level. And then I entered here and I realized some more money. That was just to get aware that I should stick with a stock that is really strong. I traded this at the beginning and it really showed that it is a strong stock, and I made, immediately some money playing it. So actually I liked that stock very much. And then sticking with this stock made me, even aware of another trading idea. And here at this point, I shorted ENDP. So this time I traded it to the other direction. And it worked. I was just not able to make the best out of it. I mean, I closed this trade at break even. But I will also focus on this kind of play more next time. Yeah. Overall, this lesson caused that I got aware of a habit I want to dissolve, and I created a new habit that serves me very good now. Now it's all about applying it again and again to just, get rid of the old habit and to set up to create the new habit, because the new habit helps me. All right, so have a successful and good week. Till next time, this is Emre.